Today we're going to take a look at the TnP Prime, our fully integrated test and print appliance tester with Bluetooth connectivity. Designed and made in Australia to make AS/NZS 3760 testing quick and easy, the TnP Prime has been designed for use with WinPats Pro, our portable appliance testing Android app. The TnP Prime is ideal for anyone doing high volume test and tag work. The TnP Prime includes preset test procedures for Class 1, earth bonded insulation at 250 or 500 volts, Class 2, insulation at 250 or 500 volts, extension leads and power boards, earth bond insulation, polarity and continuity, earth leakage tests, and trip time and ramp current tests for testing both portable and fixed RCDs. It also includes a meter mode for measuring current, voltage and power of an appliance, and a mains power supply test. You control the tester directly from WinPats Pro via Bluetooth. WinPats is what makes the TnP Prime great. You can run tests, save your results to a database with unique asset IDs, generate and print tags, create reports and more. To run a test, add a new item to your database and select the appropriate test. Set up your test leads, and then run the test. The TnP Prime will send the results to your tablet. You can then save the results to your WinPats Pro database and print a tag. The integrated thermal transfer printer prints clear, long-lasting test tags that include all the relevant information you might need, including who tested the appliance, when it's due for retesting, and most importantly, a barcode. This makes retesting really quick and easy. Just scan the barcode using your barcode scanner, and WinPats will find the item in your database. You can then review all the stored information about that item and retest it at the tap of a button. It really makes your test and tag work quick and easy, plus there are loads more features that help you run your entire appliance testing business. To learn more about WinPats, you can visit www.winpats.app. The TnP Prime features an internal lithium-ion battery, allowing you to conduct Class 1, Class 2 and extension lead tests on battery power. You can test up to 3,000 items per charge, plus you can charge it in only 7 hours and then get back to work. You can use the TnP Prime on mains power for all tests as well. The TnP Prime also features our latest RCD isolation design, meaning you won't need external isolation transformers to test portable RCDs. The TnP Prime is contained in our heavy-duty transit case with IP67 dust and water ingress protection. Features a telescoping trolley handle and wheels, which I love because it makes moving around the job site really easy. The case is also impact resistant, so it keeps your tester, printer and tablet safe and sound. The TnP Prime is similar to our TnT Titan kit, with one key difference. The TnT Titan and the Bluetooth battery-powered printer can be removed from their case, while the TnP Prime tester and printer are integrated into the case. They are both in the same price bracket, so you can choose which one suits your needs. The TnP Prime is available in 10 amp, like this one, and 20 amp versions, and comes with test leads, a power lead, a roll of test tags, and a 12-month calibration certificate. With a 3-year conditional warranty, a range of training tutorials and guides, and ongoing customer support from me and the rest of our sales and support team, the TnP Prime is an excellent integrated appliance testing kit, ideal for anyone conducting high volume testing. To learn more about our range of portable appliance testers and software solutions, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.